We needed a simple solution for Rewst users to execute commands on an endpoint. And that's why we're introducing Agent Smith. Agent Smith is a free and open source agent that's lightweight and built with Python using the Microsoft Azure IoT Hub. And it's fully managed by you. If you have something that works, use it. But if you don't have an RMM and still want to use Rewst, Agent Smith will clear the way. Agent Smith is fast, simple, and it sends results back to Rewst in the same way other RMMs do now, which means you don't have to change anything in your workflows to work with it. Agent Smith will be extremely powerful because you can use it with your Rewst workflows. So need to do things like schedule something to happen on a regular basis? You can use Agent Smith with a workflow using cron triggers. We're starting alpha testing soon, so stay tuned for more on Agent Smith.